Hello, let's really quickly solve one simple example where we are looking for differentials. In this example, they give us the function 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 and ask to find the differential dy twice, but with different data. In the first case, A, x is 4 and dx is 0.2, and for B, x is still 4, but dx is 0.4. First, let's review what the formula is. I don't remember the formula, so I remember that dy has a connection with dx, and that is f prime of x. That's kind of what is still in my mind. So, how we introduced differentials, we kind of multiplied both sides by dx and saw the left-hand side as a fraction, and we got differentials this way, a derivative times the dx. Put this in the box. That's what we're going to be using right now. So I need to find f prime and I need to find dx. Well, dx actually is given for both cases, and it's going to be different for A and B. But f prime should be found at 4 for both cases. So let's find the f prime then. F prime of x first will be 4x plus 4, that's the derivative of 2x squared plus 4x plus 2. Then f prime at 4 will be, plug in 4, gives me 16 plus 4, which is 20. And that's what I'm going to be plugging into the formula, 20. Then A. dy is, differential dy is the derivative at 4 times dx. The derivative at 4 is 20, and the dx, not delta x, dx. For A is given as 0.2, here it is, times 0.2, that is 4, because 0.2 is 1/5. So the answer is 4, 20 over 5 is 4. B, dy is derivative at 4 times dx. Derivative is still 20, but dx is different for B, that's 0.4. 0.4. And the answer is 8. And kind of that's all we need to find. A and B are found. So your job basically is not to freak out, and if you don't remember the formula, just review in your mind what derivative even means, dy over dx. And then this is how we introduced differentials for you, which was kind of a little bit awkward that we saw the notation dy over dx as a fraction. We only use this little trick for differential topics. In general, we don't break dy over dx as a fraction for you to know. Well, hopefully this video was good, and I will see you in my next video. Good job!